जनरल साइंस एंड एबिलिटी का जो पास पेपर का जो क्वेश्चन है ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट वो है ईयर 2011 का। ये 2000 से लेकर 2010 तक जो है वो हम पीछे देख चुके हैं। अब जो है वो हम 2011 का देखेंगे। द प्लैनेट ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम विच हैज़ मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ मून्स इज़ जुपिटर। जुपिटर में मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ मून्स जो है वो प्रेजेंट होते हैं सोलर सिस्टम में। सन इज़ अ प्लैनेट, कॉमेट, सैटेलाइट, अरोरा, नन ऑफ दीज। इनमें से कोई भी नहीं है बिकॉज सन एक स्टार है। सन इज़ अ स्टार। द एज ऑफ सोलर सिस्टम इज़ 4.5 billion years. 4.5 billion years is the age of universe. A unit of length equal to every distance between the earth and sun is called astronomical unit. An eclipse of sun occurs when the moon is between sun and the earth. जब चाँद ज़मीन और सूरज के दरमियान आ जाता है तो सोलर एक्लिप्स या एक्लिप्स ऑफ सन जो है वो अकर होता है। The ozone layer protects the earth from rays sent down by the sun. अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज को जो ओजोन लेयर होती है वो प्रोटेक्ट करती है फ्रॉम रीचिंग द अर्थ। द ओजोन लेयर इज प्रेजेंट अबाउट 30 miles, that is 50 kilometers in the atmosphere above the earth. The stratum layer 0 of the atmosphere in which ozone layer is present is called stratosphere. Which rocks are formed by the alteration of pre-existing rocks by great heat or pressure? Metamorphic rocks. मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स वो रॉक्स हैं जो कि पहले से मौजूद रॉक्स पर जब प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर लगता है तो वो फॉर्म होती हैं। द मोस्ट abundant natural iron oxide is हेमेटिक एंड मैग्नेटिक, यानी कि जिसे हेमाटाइट कहते हैं और जिसे मैग्नेटाइट कहते हैं। द टू मोस्ट abundant elements in sea water is sodium and chlorine. An electric current can produce chemical effect, magnetic effect, heating effect और ऑल ऑफ दीज। तो इसका आंसर ऑल ऑफ दीज है क्योंकि एक इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो है वो सारे इफेक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है। द यूनिट ऑफ द होम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एनर्जी कंजम्पशन इज किलोवाट आवर, kWh. The magnet always points in the same direction if allowed to move freely, that is towards north and south pole, because of earth is a huge magnet. When sound is reflected from floor, ceiling or a wall, it mixes with the original sound and changes its complexion. It is called reverberation. इस प्रोसेस को reverberation कहते हैं। The speed of sound in dry air at 20 degrees centigrade is about 130 meter per second, 230, 330, 430. इनमें से none of these. The speed of light in vacuum is about 300 million meters per second. इनके 3 into 10 to raise power 8 meter per second is the speed of sound, speed of light in air, yeah, in vacuum. The time light takes from the sun to reach earth is 8 minutes. 8 minutes जो है वो सन से अर्थ पर पहुंचने के लिए लाइट को लगते हैं. Light from the sun travels a distance dash before it reaches the earth, 150 million kilometer. The most suitable thermometer of measuring the boiling point of water is mercury thermometer. Mercury thermometer जो है वो यूज होता है for measuring the boiling point of water. The density of water is greatest at 4 degrees centigrade. Which one of the following statement is true? Gases do not conduct heat. ये false है. The best conductors are non-metals. ये भी. Conduction currents occur only in liquids. ये भी. A vacuum cannot conduct heat. ये भी. None of the statements true. तो कोई भी statement जो है वो true नहीं है. Ice can be changed to water by changing the motion of water molecules. जब हम motion of water molecules को change करते हैं by heating, तो जो ice जो है वो water में convert हो जाती है. The building blocks of elements are called atoms. Boiling of an egg is a change which is chemical change. The temperature of liquid nitrogen is minus 196 degrees centigrade. Above that it will be a gas. Which of the following is an alkali? Slaked lime. Slaked lime is an alkali. If an alkali is slowly added to an acidic solution, the pH of acidic solution will increase. क्योंकि acidic solution की जो pH है वो कम होती है और basic या alkaline solution की pH जो है वो ज़्यादा होती है, more than 7. The usual raw material for ceramics generally found beneath the top soil is clay. Polyamides are synthetic polymers commonly known as nylon. Telephone was invented in 1876 in America by Alexander Graham Bell. Information can be sent over long distances in the form of any combination of these three. Information can be stored in audio-video cassettes, floppy and compact discs, hard disks, laser and optical discs, all of these four. तो इसका आंसर all of these है. इसका आंसर all of these है. Computer can add, subtract, sort and classify information. IBM stands for International Business Machines. Chemicals used to kill weeds are called as herbicides. The cytoplasm consists of several types of structure which are called organelles. उसके अंदर जो cytoplasm के अंदर जो पाए जाते हैं उनको organelles कहा जाता है. The structures of DNA was elaborated by Watson and Crick in 1953. In a DNA molecule, the rule for base preparing is adenine, always bound with thymine, and cytosine with guanine. Man belongs to the family hominid. Deficiency of vitamin C in human body causes a disease is called scurvy. To measure the specific gravity of milk is the instrument is used as lactometer. ये बहुत दफ़ा आया हुआ है पहले 5 पेपर में, इससे पहले भी, तो ये बहुत important है. One of the fundamental characteristics of living organisms is metabolism. Plants growing on other plants are called epiphytes. As per eating habit, squirrels are omnivores. Water loss from leaves through stomata is called as transpiration. The study of how plants and animals interact with one another and with non-living environment is called as ecology. The number of the bones in human body is 206. Nervous system in human consists of brain, spinal cord, cord, LFS, and nerve. In human eye, the light sensitive layer made of specialized nerve cells, the rods and the cones is called the retina. Erythrocytes are also called as red blood cells.